Hi, Standard Fourth. A very good morning. Today I have come up with the lesson, the Olympic Games. Lesson number 2, page number 14. So, children, let's start the lesson. The Olympic Games is one of the world's most prestigious international multi-sport events. We believe that ancient Olympics are originated around 3000 years ago in Greece. The year 776 BC is widely accepted as the year where the games were first organized as a part of religious festival. These ancient Olympic Games were hosted to honor the Greek god Zeus in the Valley of Olympia. How the Olympic Games started? There are several myths how Olympics came into being. Myths means an ancient story explaining early history or natural events. We believe that one such myth is that Zeus, the greatest of the gods in Greek mythology, defeated his father Cronus to get the world under his control. To honor him, in Olympia, a temple was built and a huge statue was made of him. Near that temple, these religious festivals were celebrated, where people came to honor and worship King Zeus. Here we see another myth, Heracles, the son of Zeus, who was very strong, who had a huge strength. The king of Mycenae gave him 12 different tasks which are difficult, but he completed the task very easily. By seeing his success, the king of gods, Zeus, took him to the Mount Olympus to live among all the gods. He also started the Olympic Games in honor of Heracles. These ancient Olympic Games are played till 393 AD, but these ancient Olympic Games were stopped when Romans came to rule Greece. The modern Olympic Games were started in 1896 by a young French man named Baron Pierre de Coubertin. He wanted the people from all over the world to come and gather in one place and play the games in friendly spirit or friendly manner. The Olympic Games are conducted every 4 years and the symbol of Olympic Games are 5 rings. They stand for the unity of 5 continents. Whichever country participates in the Olympic Games must and should have at least one color of the ring on their flags. And these 5 rings are colored in blue, black, red, yellow and green. The Olympic motto in Latin language, Citius, Altius and Fortius, means shifter, higher and stronger. Coubertin feels that the motto of all Olympic athletes to reach their goal. Weeks before the game begins or starts, a woman wears traditional dress of their ancient time and lights the Olympic torch, which is in Olympia Valley. And many participants take the flame and run through different countries. The final runner or the last runner carries the flame to the stadium before the game begins, and the Olympic flame is kept burning till the games are closed. When the Olympic Games are finished, the flame is put out at the closing ceremony. All the athletes return to their home after closing ceremony of Olympic Games. All the athletes think of their efforts and determination they have put to participate in the Olympic Games. And some of them who could not win, they are happy that at least they got a chance to compete with athletes at the world level or at an international level. They also remember the wonderful advice given by Baron Pierre de Coubertin. That is, the most important thing in Olympic Games is to participate. Winning is not important. Participation is important.